You're watching Fox 45 Morning News. All local, all morning.
And coming up, are you stuck in your ways when it comes to your St. Patrick's Day meal? Corned beef and hash, yeah, that's what a lot of people have. But how you can actually add some modern twists on the Irish classics. 8:51 is the time. You're watching Fox 45 Morning News, all local, all morning.
Feeling lucky? Well, let's take a dive into some modern Irish cuisine. Now, that's right. We're talking about Irish cuisine. Take a look at that shot right there. Is that steak? Oh, carrots. All right, well, I don't know. I'm an Irishman, and I have no idea. When I think Ireland, I do not think about food. You normally think about some other things from Ireland. But Jim Benson with 11 Course Catering is here. He's the master chef, and he's here to show us exactly what things are all Irish in Ireland. And they're all related, but they don't look like your potatoes and cabbage.
Right. Yeah, you know, definitely everything that's Irish and beyond the beautiful green sceneries.
Right.
There's really a vibrant food scene. And, you know, with all my global travels, and we spent a lot of time in Ireland, you know, a lot of the chefs and just local farmers, what they really kind of, you know, point out to me is that, you know, Irish cooking is about bringing that farm-to-table approach, you know, really, you know, bringing from the land and just honest, straightforward cuisine. And they just love, you know, just the great root vegetables that they have, you know, and potatoes and just really, you know, of the earth.
And not only of the earth and farm, but you were just saying, you know, Ireland is basically on an island. So, I mean, you get to have the fish, too. So you're talking a little bit about some seafood, too.
Yeah, right. You know, sea to table as well, right? So for the dish we're doing today, we're highlighting some of that wonderful salmon that you can get there. And, you know, they definitely a lot of wonderful smoked fishes and things of that nature. So we're going to start with just a wonderful gold potato that we've mashed. To that, we're going to add a little bit of our salmon. Then we just gently poach that and just start mixing that together.
Kind of folding it in?
Yeah, just fold it in. Add a little bit of caramelized garlic. Yeah, just a few cloves.
Oh, okay. I thought you were dumping that whole thing.
I was flavor. All right. You can never have too much garlic, right? A little salt and pepper to taste. And some chives, you know, just that vibrant flavor of chives or scallions. You can't go wrong.
This brings the whole
potatoes.
Green holiday in together.
Yes, totally. And then you would simply, you're done. You would roll that in some breadcrumbs and then sear it in a little canola oil. Get that wonderful crust.
So this is what we're mixed up. That's what you
have.
A little bit of canola oil.
Yes, yeah, and just let it go for about 5 minutes each side.
Okay.
And then you simply put it on our dish. Now we pair that with a wonderful cream sauce that's highlighted flavors of dill.
Are you able to get that shot?
A little bit of vinegar and a wonderful watercress and radish salad. So you know, just definitely clean, vibrant flavors. No, you know, no fuss and
what's a sweet treat to finish it at the end?
I would say, you know, something like a rhubarb kind of parfait. Yeah. Just simple pies are wonderful too. A wonderful little
like
cobbler.
A crumble, right?
Yeah, with the wonderful soda bread that they have. Just that brown bread crumble with the brown sugar. So a little bit of kumquat there. Yeah. And you finish up your dish.
All right, right there, Jim Benson, executive chef with 11 Course Catering. Thank you so much. Say hello to Melissa, your co-worker as well too. Yes. And she's at home with the kids. Well, thank you very much. All right, well, coming up new at 9, we're talking about the rankings are out, where your county stands, because there was a ranking of all the counties here in Maryland as which one's the healthiest. We're keeping it healthy here, right, Jim?
That's right. Oh, yeah.
Baltimore County, Baltimore City is not too bad right here. We'll see where they fall on the list right after the break.